In the previous few videos, we have been doing some amazing tasks using ChatGPT, and we have been using it for different purposes. Yes, we have used it for Excel, we have used it for writing blogs, we have used it for data analysis, we have used it for web development and so many other things. In this lesson, we are going to use ChatGPT once again to automate our Excel day-to-day tasks. For example, here I have a list of different numbers ranging from A2 to A20, and then I want specific numbers to be added from this list to column B, which is our wanted list. So our boss has given us a criteria to fetch only those numbers from list that contains 4 consecutive 8s in it. For example, any number containing 8, 8, 8, 8 in the beginning, middle or end of a number, we need it to be added to the wanted list. So for example, the first number does not have 4 consecutive 8s. We will not be adding this to this wanted list. The second one contains 88, 88, so we need this to be added to the wanted list. The third one does not contain any double 8. The fourth one contains only 2 times. We have 8 only 2 times in it, so we will not be adding this. Then we will be adding this one to the wanted list. So I want to automate this. If I do it manually, that's gonna take a lot of time. Of course, I've only added 19 records for the sake of example, but we know that we have thousands of such numbers, and I want to add those numbers to the wanted list that contains 4 consecutive 8s. So if I try to do it manually, it will take a ton of time. I don't want to do it, and I don't know how to do it through Excel. So here ChatGPT is our good friend, and we are going to ask ChatGPT to help us in this task. Let's ask it that I have a list of numbers in Excel in range A2 to A20. I want to get only those numbers that contain 8, 8, 8, 8 and paste them into column B. Give me Excel 2010 formula to do it. Remember, I'm mentioning Excel 2010 because unfortunately I'm using Excel 2010. If you are using the latest version of Excel, then you don't need to mention Excel 2010. Let's ask ChatGPT to help us. It's going to think for a few seconds to understand this, and then it's going to write this for us. So this is the exact formula that ChatGPT thinks will help us in this task. Let's copy this, go to Excel and paste it here. So I have pasted the formula here, but because this number does not contain 8 4 times, therefore it's not going to write anything. If we drag it down till A20, then it's going to paste those numbers that contain 8 4 times, like this one, and these numbers. So all these numbers that we see in column B now contain 8 4 times. This is how we use ChatGPT for automating our Excel tasks very easily and simply. We don't need to think, we don't need to do anything. We just go to ChatGPT, ask ChatGPT our question in simple words, and then ChatGPT is going to help us in any task that we are going to give it to it. That's it for today. We will be going to do some more tasks using ChatGPT in the coming videos. So if you have not subscribed this channel yet, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so you can be notified whenever new videos are posted here. Thanks for watching.